Sino itong Hollywood star na 20 years na naging Goodwill Ambassador ng United Nations? Magandang araw mga kaibigan, magkapet pandasal muna po tayo. Ito po si Father Nono. Wala pong iba kundi ang sikat na artistang si Angelina Jolie. Magaling na action star pero kontrobersyal ang personal na buhay. Pero sino ang mag-aakalang marami siyang nagawang kabutihan? Opo, 20 years siyang volunteer ng United Nations Refugee Agency. Nag-ikot siya ng mundo, dinalaw at tumulong sa napakaraming mga refugee centers. At dito natuklasan niya raw ang tunay na kahulugan ng buhay. Lagi raw sinasabi sa kanila ng kanilang ina, ang buhay ay walang kahulugan, kundi ito laan sa pagtulong sa kapwa. Di niya raw ito maintindihan hanggang nakilala niya nga bilang ambassador ang libo-libong nagugutom, inabuso, pinagsamantalahan, takas sa mga gyera. Ito raw ang sumampal sa kanya. I have never understood why some people are lucky enough to be born with the chance that I had to have this path in life. And why across the world there's a woman just like me with the same abilities and the same desires, same work ethic and love for her family who would most likely make better films and better speeches. Only she sits in a refugee camp. She has no voice. She worries about what her children will eat, how to keep them safe, and if they'll ever be allowed to return home. I don't know why this is my life and that's hers. I don't understand that, but I will do as my mother asked, and I will do the best I can with this life to be of use. Manalangin po tayo. Poon, naway magising ang bawat isa sa amin sa tunay na layunin ng buhay na kaloob niyo sa amin. Amen.